Hi everybody, in my last video I told you about the importance of doing a video tour and that I was going to show you some tips on how to do it. So now that's where we're at. If you notice, my lovely assistant Jenny is holding the camera phone in a landscape position. That's really important. Portrait is okay for Insta, but these videos will go on YouTube. So let's imagine we're outside the house and we're going to talk our way through. Hello, my name is Mr. Landlord and this is my property, 1 Lettsby Avenue. Let's go and have a look. It's important that when the person who's following you around, if you have a person to follow you around, holds the camera at pretty much chest height so you get a good perspective, and that's really what works. So follow us into the first room. Now what you'll notice is that I'm not looking at the camera the whole time, but it's also good to look at the camera and maintain eye contact directly at the lens. But it's not essential to look at the camera the whole time because it's just an informal tour of your home. One thing that I do recommend is getting to the corner of the room and if possible getting a window in the shot, because the window naturally draws your eye out and makes the room look bigger. So there's 3 basic moves that I want you to do. There's the horizontal sweep, and as you can see, Jenny is turning the phone really slowly all the way around. That is a horizontal sweep. The next one is, yep, you've guessed it, a vertical sweep, which is up and down. Again, it's important to keep the phone as steady as you can and nice slow movements so people can see the room and take it all in. And the third one is a zoom, which is where if you have an interesting focal point in your room, like something as mundane as a light switch, you can just walk into a light switch to show off that particular feature. When you're talking about your house or the room that you're in, it's always good to point out things that you've done to the house or factors that influence your buying decision in the first instance. So for example, we had these windows fitted by Anglia because they offer a 10-year guarantee. We originally bought this house because we like the location, because it's close to the schools that we wanted for our kids. So make it as personal as possible. Talk about the features and benefits of your house. Talk about the things that you've personally done to the house or the apartment that you're in. In terms of transferring video to me, there's a website called wetransfer.com. I'll put the link at the end, but it's wetransfer.com. It's a very simple website to use to transfer large files, because depending on what format you're shooting on, it will be quite a large file. You go to wetransfer.com, you simply put in the email address of the person you want to send to, the email address of the person you're sending from, i.e. your email address, upload the files, and it will send them really easy. So do a property tour of your property. I'm really excited to see the results because I'm sure there'll be some good stuff. You can be humorous, this is an informal tour of your property, but you can use whatever style suits you best. If you want to be factual, then be factual. If you want to be friendly and amusing, then do that. If you can inject some humour into these challenging times, that would be amazing. But remember, always shoot in landscape. Be slow with the camera, hold it steady, hold it about chest height, and if you can, get into a corner of the room. Guys, I look forward to getting your videos, and remember, the best video, in my opinion, will get £100 Amazon voucher. Thanks for watching.